Today in the news, Texas surpasses 11,000 coronavirus deaths, and an ex-Dallas cop admits surfing child porn on police computers, and the City of Dallas's hospital capacity report. Today is August 24th, 2020, and this is Dallas Weekly News. Hello, I'm your host, Patrick Washington, and this is Dallas Weekly News. Texas surpassed 11,000 coronavirus deaths on Friday and reported more than 4,600 confirmed new cases, while the number of patients hospitalized because of the virus continues to fall. Texas earlier this week became just the fourth state to surpass 10,000 deaths, but the toll has rapidly mounted as the state has added hundreds of new deaths daily in August. Republican Governor Greg Abbott also announced federal approval of some out-of-work Texans to receive an additional $300 a week through President Donald Trump's offer of stripped-down unemployment benefits. People out of work had been receiving an extra federally funded $600 a week, but the boost expired at the end of July. Abbott previously announced was non-committal about whether the Texas government would accept the money, while expressing optimism that Trump and Congress would reach a deal on a broader new coronavirus relief plan. An Associated Press survey shows at least 25 states have said they intend to pursue the money, while 2 states, Mississippi and South Dakota, have said they won't. State health officials reported that roughly 5,500 coronavirus patients were hospitalized Friday, which is nearly half as many as July's peak. A former Dallas police officer has admitted that he surfed child pornography on police computers. Daniel Lee Collins, age 35, pleaded guilty before a federal magistrate Friday morning to possessing child pornography. According to court documents, Collins admitted accessing and occasionally sharing child pornography through his Google email last spring, including images that portrayed sadistic or masochistic conduct by the minors. A July criminal complaint said Google detected pornographic images uploaded to Collins' Google account via the Dallas City Internet system and alerted the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. A Dallas computer expert traced the emails to the Dallas City Internet network, to which Collins had access as a senior corporal with the Dallas Police Department. The same Google accounts were also traced to Collins' residential computer. Collins resigned from the police force earlier this week and faces up to 20 years in federal prison when sentenced January 8th. And now the City of Dallas's hospital capacity report. This has been Dallas Weekly News. I'm your host, Patrick Washington, and you can find these and more stories on dallasweekly.com. And of course, follow us on social media on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. And of course, as always, if you can, please stay safe, stay home, and we will see you again tomorrow.